Hi everyone, this is group piano 1 and this is recording of the week 12 syllabus. First thing we have, it's harmonization on a page from the Alfred book. Page 52 and 53. Please remember you harmonize it with 1, 4 and 5, 7 chords, which are the primary chords in our chord progression. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 5, 7, 1. That was C major. The song we have is in D major. Remember again, every scale degree potential can be used with 3 chords according to triads. So the triads are 3 notes. If we have more, it comes to 7s, and again extended chords 9, 11, that you have more possibilities. But right now, as being a triad, you have 3 possibilities again. If we take C major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to 1. Now, in case in the melody, if you have C, that C can be used as a C major. That will be your 1. Okay, then, if we go backwards over every other key, that C could be in the middle of A minor chord, which is 6. Now if we take another flip backwards over every other key, the C will be on top, which will be on top of the F chord. So basically again we got 1, 6, 4. We don't have the 6th chord yet, but remember this rule that you in the future are going to match. So if you have 4th of the scale in C major, that will be F. It can be used 1 as a 4th chord or 4, 6, 4 chord. Then it can be used as a 2 chord in the middle, or that could be used 7s diminished, or 5, 7, which includes all of it. So the 5 and 5, 7 is combination of the dominant triad and diminished 7. So altogether creates the dominant 7. So the 4th again can be used as part of 4th, 4, 6, 4, part of 2, which you don't have it yet, or part of the 7th chord. So we did this in a class and we had the chords. In number 1 of page 52, first measure will go 1 chord, it's a D major, 5, 6, 5, and back to 1, and we choose to go with 4 here in the measure 4. This is your 4, 6, 4 chord in D major, which is G major over D. Measure 5, 1, 5, 6, 5, and changing twice in the measure number 7. 1, 5, 1. So together will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, you want to transpose this, it says go to E major, whole step above, which means you're going to use your chord progression in E major. E major, so E major triad, then E major over E, which is the subdominant for E major, and 5-6-5, which is B7 over D sharp. So same song transposed in E major. We have again 5 fingers range. From D position we're going to E position. Takes our quarters. Ready, go. So, next one is page 52 again, and number 2. Time signature 6/8. Starting third of the scale, which again could be possible to match with third chord, which is B minor in G major, but we don't use it yet. Tonic, which is G major, and the 6, which is E minor. Again, we don't use it, so our only options is to go with 1. 1, 5 in a second measure, second degree of the scale. It's a A, and it matches with 5. Then stay on it. Measure number 4 goes to third of the scale, which is B, and it's the only option we have. It's right now it's a G major. Measure 5 repeats. Measure number 6 to 5. Last measure changing twice. On the first beat and on the fourth beat, which is C. And the C, it's a part of the 7th chord. It's a fourth of the scale, and if you took D major by itself and adding the fourth of the scale in G major, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, C. On top of it, you're getting your 5/7. So that's why you can use with the 4 degree 5/7. Again, measure number 7 will be 1, 5/7 on the third, on the fourth beat, and ends on tonic. So I'm playing all the way through. Takes our 8. I have 6/8. 1, ready, go. In case if you transpose this, remember same progression, and your right hand will be in a C 5-finger position. And left hand, you're just going between 1 and 5/6/5. No fourth chord here. 1, ready, go. Next one is number 3 on page 53. Key signature of 4 flats, which makes it A flat major, and chord progression for A flat major. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 5, 7, 1. Okay, so first measure starts on A flat, first of the scale. Then second measure, second of the scale. Right now, only option we have, we can use the 5/6/5 because no 2 and the 7s, as I mentioned before, prior, that it's part of your 5/7 chords. Measure 3, third of the scale. Again, it could be possible to use the third, which is C minor, flat major or F minor. All these three chords have C inside. So taking off the third and the sixth, we stay with 1. It's a measure 3, measure 4, it's a fourth of the scale. You can end here on 4/6/4. Then measure 5, it's a first of the scale again, 1, second of the scale, 5/6/5. Here in the seventh measure, we can change 1 on the first beat, and on the third beat back to 5/7, and then 1. Or the 5/7 can be used on the second beat in a measure 7. So I play all the way. Metronome. So ticks will be quarters. 1, ready, go. Okay, if I choose to transpose this to B flat, chord progression, and now B flat 5 fingers position. B flat 4/6/4, root position, 5/6/5, 1. Ready, go. The last number on this page, number 4, page 53. So we have 3 flats in a key signature, which makes it a E flat major. So starting 5th of the scale, it's a B flat. You can start on 5 if you want, and then change to 1, but so the beginning, it's always kind of, we're used to starting on tonic. E flat, major, second measure will stay on it, still tonic. Third measure 5 you have written underneath. Third of the scale in the measure 4, back to E flat major. Then it repeats the following 2 measures, stays on 1. Five, 6, 5 in a measure 7. And then back to 1. So we got 1, measure 1, measure 2, 1, 5 on a measure 3, measure 4, back to 1. Measure 5 and 6 stays on 1. Measure 7, change to 5, and then 1. Three, go. Now I'm going to transpose into D flat major. So my chords are only 2, 1 and 5, 6, 5. No fourth involved. D flat, F, A flat, that's your 1 chord. C, G flat, A flat is the 5, 6, 5 chord. My right hand will be within 5 fingers range of D flat position. 3, go. Okay, so these are the majors. We have the minor songs to harmonize. I'll do that in the next video.